Solving Inequalities with Addition and Subtraction. Today, you will solve inequalities with multiplication and division. I lost my teeth. All right, multiplication and division. There is one key idea that you have to know. And if you know it, everything else is exactly like what we've been doing, okay? The key idea in this. Come on. This is the note you need. When multiplying or dividing by negative number. I would put it on the back side. You know how we have some definitions there on the back? This is the last one. When multiplying or dividing by a negative number, flip the inequality symbol. That's the key. In order to solve an inequality with multiplication and division, when you multiply or divide by a negative number, flip the inequality symbol. Okay? Other than that, you're just solving an equation, an expression. Okay? Algebraic equation, I guess I should say. You're just solving an algebraic equation. It's the same process. Okay? Does everybody have this down? Because I'm not switching it until you get this. Because if you get this key idea, it's a piece of cake. It's easy. No, okay. Okay, does everybody have this? Let's work with this a little bit. 2x less than 4. Solve that inequality. How are we going to solve it? Somebody tell me, how do I solve it? Caden?
Well, you would simplify it by taking away the number on 3.
Well, I'm not simplifying, I'm solving it
Yeah.
by getting rid of the coefficient. And how do I get rid of the coefficient?
Divided by 2.
Divide by 2. So in this case, x is less than 2. Do we agree? Okay. What if, do I have to flip it? Did I multiply or divide by a negative number? No. Okay. But what if I said, negative 3x is greater than or equal to 15? Okay. Zane, what do I need to do?
You make it less than or equal to.
Okay. And the reason I'm going to do that is because I have to do what?
Multiply by a negative number.
No.
Divide it by 3.
I have to divide by negative 3. So because I know I'm dividing by negative 3, flip the inequality. I just flip it. So at this point, x is less than or equal to negative 5. The minute I multiply or divide, I flip. Okay? What if I said, let's see if I can. 4.2y, 4 2/10 y, less than or equal to negative 12 6/10. Solve that, ladies and gentlemen. We know we got different problems here. Solve that. Oh, well, I know that one.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway. If you get y is less than or equal to negative 3, you are correct. If that's what you got, you're right. Because all I had to do was divide by negative 4.2, or by a positive 4.2. I can't even write. And because it's dividing by a positive, I don't need to flip the sign. Doesn't matter what the answer is. Okay? I flip it when I divide or multiply by a negative number. You guys want one more?
Yes.
What if I said, negative 3x is less than or equal to negative 5/4. Yes. You check. Okay, do you have your, tell me what you got. Check your work. You've done something wrong. Something's wrong. Check it. You are really, yeah. That, what kind of a number is that? So please do that again, because that's not gonna be right. And the minute you did that, what do you do with that? Check. What? Where? That's negative 5/4. That's just the equation. That's just what I'm being given,
Oh,
okay?
okay. I thought we should
It's negative divided by negative divided by right? Yeah, I agree the inequality switches, but got it? Yes. If you got x is greater than or equal to 5/12, you are correct. If that's what you got, you are correct. Okay? Fist to 5, how do you feel about what we're doing? Ready to give it a try? Okay? And we're gonna, and I think, I'm not concerned with